This is a 1963 Falcon sedan delivery. This is an amazing vehicle, very rare. I remember seeing a sedan delivery of about this time period years ago, and this is in beautiful condition. It's been redone. It was originally a drag car and was eventually changed around for street use. You can see the upholstery is just absolutely gorgeous. And you can see some of the details of this old image as a drag car with the shifter there and the tack and the steering wheel, gauges under the dash. Beautiful vehicle. And the 260 cubic inch engine, beautiful condition. Great front end here, beautiful condition. It's obviously been repainted, but it's a tremendous job in doing that. And we're going to get a side view now. And going to go to the back of the vehicle and check the inside. We see a kind of a seat in the back here that's faced along the side. Very nice.